Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is only lasting 5 minutes or less, you're not alone. This is a common issue that many users face, often caused by a deteriorating battery. If left unaddressed, this can lead to poor cleaning performance and ultimately, you may need to replace the entire vacuum. However, with a quick battery replacement, you can get your Dyson back to its best. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a compatible replacement battery. Start by ensuring your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Be careful not to strip the screws as you take them out. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the back cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open if it's stuck. Now, locate the battery inside the casing. It's usually situated at the bottom of the unit and is secured by a couple of screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, taking care to set them aside safely. As you do this, ensure you're not applying too much force and be mindful of any cables nearby. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery from its compartment. Disconnect the battery from the connector by pulling it straight out. Avoid twisting as this could damage the wires. Take your new compatible battery and connect it in the same manner, ensuring it clicks into place. Replace the screws to secure the new battery, again being cautious not to over-tighten and damage the casing. Now slide the back cover back onto the unit and replace the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, turn on your Dyson V10 to check if it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to charge your battery fully after every use and avoid leaving it on the charger for extended periods. This will help prolong the lifespan of your new battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.